The 2005 ES330. The Lexus ES330 may be the smoothest, quietest car in its class. Its supple suspension gives it a smooth ride on rough city streets, beat-up freeways, and poorly maintained back roads, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: airbags, automatic transmission, cruise control, FWD, passenger airbag, fog lamps, remote power door locks, power windows, trip computer, compass, daytime running lights, leather seats, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, heads-up display, tilt steering wheel, power heated outside mirrors, remote window operation. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.